never fuck my man, dirty girl with the left. Tell Twinkie say I diss me, I say.
What a piece of mix-up. Okay. Dancehall artist Jada Kingdom is seeking clarity on Steflon teaser for an unreleased song, which fans and Kingdom alike speculate might be targeting her indirectly over a brief romantic entanglement with Afrobeat superstar and Steflon ex-boyfriend Burna Boy.
Doing this for giggles because this is weak. This girl's trying to beef with me over a guy. Women even want, this is just so weak. Tell her right to them should I make you say, hey, Twinkle is a box you forget, but I'm one now with the box gone. We're gonna get the box. At the part there, a song alone with it concern, boy, girl. You should have left the song, oh, it stay and come for me if you really are come for me, because I think I can go tit for tat with me. And I'm sparing you. Like, literally, I spare you. Just for test the waters, just to test the waters. Because you're going like your bowl a little bit. Hey. Just to test the waters. Hey, just to scope the scenery. Hey, you're not bad. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, wrap it up. This is weak. This is boring. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. Before me even really get into it, wrap it up. You don't want this, bro. I'm chilling. I'm literally chilling. I'll go there. I'm gonna think I wanna go there. Wrap it up.
When it comes to my money, me I go punctual. Stop playing on my face, me and a little girl. Me will shot you for $1 where you take my for. Anything, come here for feed my fam. I'm causing mayhem. Them always fuck with people first and try to blame them. But all I go on, me still I wait for my replacement. Any competition present, me I erase them. Shut up and hold a kick. Now fight over no boy, go take a seat, your favorite shit. Hey, dig off your face with my fresh French tips. Girl, I claim so them a done, now what my miss. Fully hardy, me no half breed. Wake up the east side and cause a fucking stampede. I'll go and show you how a cutlass feel. Yeah, me the member, you bleed like I bleed. I hate you scary bitches, too fucking lippy. Girl like you deserve to get clapped on your district. Burn you down to ash, them start a search your body missing. Just left Twinkle alone and mind your bumbo clad business.
Almighty, this looks serious, man.
On Saturday night, the Hurt Me rapper dropped a 20-second snippet of her take on the Dirty Money Rhythm, a dancehall beat produced by Russian. The lyrics question an unnamed woman's integrity and infidelity, fueling speculation that they might be directed at Kingdom, who had been previously linked with Burna Boy. Kingdom did not shy away from addressing the issue head-on, taking to Instagram on Sunday asking Steflon whether the lyrics were a swipe at her or a continuation of a previous dispute perpetuated involving Steflon's former agent. Hey boo, me nah run no bush with you, she began. I know it, my style that, so before me gather your third degree, just make me know from now if I me a come for this time or I still your manager ya chat about again. Kingdom added the whole away there. Curious, mom. You have to stop them something there, no man. Cho. Jada, who had previously denied any knowledge of Burna Boy dating rumors, then went live on Instagram on Sunday to confirm an intimate relationship with City Boy singer and pointed out the absurdity of the feud, emphasizing he's not exclusively committed to anyone. It's weird because it's behind a man. This nigga's for everybody. Last year, she passed her remarks, I said nothing. She argued that her biggest concern about the unreleased track was the bar that spoke about slapping the unnamed person. Una listen to the wrong part of the song, she said. Make me just want to know who I go get the box, cause everything else are facts, cause my pussy blessed. Right through. Me just want to know who I go get the box, and that me I ask about. The love situation questioned the need for strong, potential, violent lyrics over such casual relationship. If she bold enough to say I miss she a talk, well, it's weird cause it's over a guy. And if it's over a guy, me not answer you cause it's weird. The bitches that I diss or whatever, real beef, then man yeah, after everybody babes, it's weird. Me just want to know if I your manager you talk about again, cause word on the street is you get a new vehicle, go drive your car, babes. You win, like who cares? Kingdom reiterated that she and the last singer were not serious. It was never anybody that I was really with. And I never know me and man business. I never know Ray Ray. The man everybody in the world. By anybody, anything. Like it's never been that deep. So that's it, guys. Some social media users are lauding her for her boldness in getting to the bottom of the situation. That's how you identify as a bad girl. Jada wasn't capping when she said she a bad girl in her real life. An Instagram user said. Another user chimed in, "Me love the tagging, no shade throwing, and no beating around the bush." So Steflon even went as far as saying, "Oh, you must have missed the line, snorting a line, but it's right here, goods at Jada Kingdom." So Steflon is not backing down from the war either. She replied and at Jada, and this was 4 hours ago. Good pussy twinkle that freestyle there was trash and them say me afraid. It's okay though, they do say coke makes everything seems better than it is. And the only really this bar I heard in Steph London song was about her sleeping with a whole bunch of men in dancehall. And who have we seen Jada Kingdom with? The first person was Lincoln, then AE or whatever his name is, and then the hip hop boy that was 19 years old that's in jail for 25 years or 35 years now, and now she's with Partisan. So that's 4 people. And how long have Jada been on the scene? She's been on the scene for a while. And Jada made it clear that she's 25 and she has under 10 bodies. So if you were 25 or if you're over 25 and you have more or less bodies than her, then you don't have no room for talk. Because if I'm being real, I think Steflon have way more bodies than she. So if you want to talk about man and jump from man and fucky, we can get into it. Because Jada can talk about the baby with a dash way.
Be a cussing, be a controversy.
And I'm gonna have to give it to Steph London with this one because I think her song was way better than the freestyle that Jada dropped. Honestly, and I expected better from Jada. Jada put out Shen Heng. Okay? I expected way better from Jada as far as addressing Steph London is concerned. I also feel like Jada kind of feel like this is petty and beneath her, especially because it's stemming from a guy that she didn't really claim, a guy that she wasn't really serious with, a guy she claims is for everybody. And according to the streets are saying he is definitely for everybody. He buys everybody anything and he tries to sleep with everybody. The streets are saying that Burna Boy is smashing little baby's baby mother allegedly. So him buying Steph London a Range Rover really don't mean nothing because Jada allegedly was in Africa with him for December. But honestly, I want this to be a lyrical war. If this is going to continue, I want this to be lyrical because I feel like for a long time, dancehall artists, especially the women, have been underestimated as far as lyrical warfare is concerned and actually going head to head, DJing on a beat and killing it. I feel like Aishana proved the point as far as never underestimating women when it comes on to war and especially in dancehall. So I would like to see something like this with Jada and Steph London back to back, head to head, just lyrics. I will say Steph London is not somebody that I listen to, and if I'm gonna give anybody this, it's gonna be Jada because I've listened to Jada's music, and if you listen to which girl can say she stressed me out, that a fucking clown, cause the first man said she broke, she have to do it out. But I will say Steflon Don took round one so far. I'm waiting on Jada to drop another song or Steflon Don to drop another song to really see where this is gonna go. Because I, for one, love the excitement. Me love the liquor mix up, and I can't get enough of this. Even though it's stemming from something petty, I am here for it. I'm here for the lyrics and the music. One thing I will have to say is shout out to my girl Spice, because Spice have a whole song with Steflon Don, and Spice is also friends with Jada. Jada is kind of like Spice mentee, mentor. So if I was Spice, I would be clutching my pearls and biting my fingernails, because I wouldn't want to be in the center of this or involved in the middle of this, especially since I am friends with both of them. So who do you think took round one? What do you think about Steflon Don's song? What do you think about Jada's remix that she posted on Instagram? And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.